I'm an entrepreneur for last 40 years, and of course my initial business was in Bombay, but I came back to Calcutta. Essentially, I started in Calcutta while in Bombay, and now I have come back to Calcutta from Bombay. But in this period of 40 years, last 13 years, I have been associated with leading teaching institutions, which is technology institutions in the country, in setting up incubation, which is essentially a facility to promote entrepreneurship in the knowledge domain. So we want qualified engineers, technocrats, to get into business mode. And we, that is institutions and the government of India, the Department of Science and Technology, they have a major program in supporting this. And I was advisor to 6 teaching institutions, which includes CSIR, IIT, and all that. When I started in 1998 with this new assignment, there was only one such incubator in the entire eastern region, which includes Bihar, Assam, the entire northeast, Orissa. So the awareness of entrepreneurship through teaching institutions were extremely limited. And it took a while for the government, because that is the job of the government, that was not my job, to create this awareness. And today we have about 5 incubators in this region. It so happens that I have set up all the 5. But how much has been the translation? Having facilities, having buildings, some 16 crores the government has put into these institutions. What has transpired? That is the moot question. And will it build itself? You see, you can do hand-holding for some time. If there is a new entrepreneur, he's a startup, you can support him for some time, but not for all times. So similarly, this entire movement on incubation, the government needs to support for some time, but then the community has to come forth, the entire ecosystem has to build itself up, and that should help push this entire initiative. And we ought to have a climate in Bengal and the eastern region like you have in Gujarat. What is the climate in Gujarat? I don't know how many of you have actually worked in Gujarat. I have worked in Gujarat. I have set up factories in Gujarat. While setting up a factory in Gujarat in 1977, we used to find very difficult to get people who will work with us, because they would, in a very short while, they will say, "Hum apna dhanda chalu karega." And we had to get, our business was in electronics, so we had to get people from Bombay to work in Baroda. So that is the ecosystem of Gujarat. Even today it is that. Now, we cannot transform an ecosystem, that we cannot transplant the ecosystem to Bengal and say, now it is going to become Gujarat. So what do we do? That is a question we need to ask ourselves. IT has been a great enabler. This is what VAR India has done, and the sort of programs that VAR India is leading. This is the second year I am speaking at a forum of VAR India. Is extremely encouraging. IT has definitely helped the youth. As I said in a seminar with various people, the US representatives, the minister, that technology institutions today have students enrolling there only with the hope that on passing out, they will get a job, a placement in an IT company. If they do not get a placement in an IT company, the next year, the institution will have a very difficult time during admissions. I've seen it happening. So we have a unique situation. It is very good that IT is come up on the top. Right now, what is it that we need to do in West Bengal to take it forward? As you know, that Sector 5 hub, which we have in Calcutta, is a decent hub, but there's no great shakes. A hub like that has to be far bigger, and there are far more people have to be working there, far more companies have to be there, and there has to be a lot of startup companies there. The entire IT domain worldwide has made a name for itself because all of them are startups, barring IBM. Well, IBM was a startup at a point of time, but in the contemporary phase, except IBM, all are startups. And unless we think along that line, what we are trying to do in West Bengal in transforming, which is possible, eminently possible, when we have such great companies like HCL sitting here and Canon and all that, they will support, because it's a win-win situation for the companies too. So I look forward to a very interesting discussion in this and other sessions during the day. Thank you.